Security lights are a great visual deterrent against thieves, but are they easy to install? Hi, I'm Holly from Region Security Guarding's YouTube channel where we make videos about security and security guards. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. In today's video, we will be providing you with all the latest security light installation tips. Can anyone install a security light? Yes, anyone can install a security light. Many homeowners may install their own lights to save some money. However, the downside to installing your own lights is that the lights you do install will have a lower electrical output and they will take much longer to install. So it is recommended that you get a professional such as an electrician or a security expert to install your lights. How much does it cost to install a security light? In the UK, the average cost of a security light installation is £150, while security lights with a higher voltage may cost more. For example, a 30-watt light may cost around £175. The amount of money it takes to install a security light will vary as it will depend on many things, such as the type of light you are installing and how powerful the light is. Where should you install security lights? Security lights will mainly be installed on the outside of your property. Some of the best places to install security lights are above your front door, near entrances to your house, above your garage, above any windows, in areas that you consider to be blind spots, and at the side of your house. How to install a security light? There are many ways that security lights can be installed. Some people may hire an expert to install their security lights, while others will be confident enough to install their own. Before you begin your security light installation, there are a few things you need to consider. The first thing you should consider is who will be installing your lights, yourself or an expert. The next thing you should consider is where you're putting your security lights. You should place your lights in an area that is most vulnerable or in an area that needs the most protection, e.g. your front door. After you've considered your light's location, you should then identify where its power source should be. One way that you can do this is by making sure that your light is near a light switch or an electrical output. Another thing that you should remember when you're installing your own lights is to make sure you turn the power off before you begin the installation. It is extremely important that you make sure the power is turned off so that you aren't at any risk to any injuries. Finally, when you or your expert has finished your light installation, it is important that you test the lights out to see that they are working properly. When you are testing your lights, you should check to see that the lights turn on, that the light is shining in the right direction, that the motion detection features on the light are working properly, and you should also test how long the light stays on for. How to install a solar security light? A solar security light's installation will be very similar to a normal security light's installation. However, it's important to note that when you're installing a solar security light, that you place your light in an area that is hit by the sunlight. This is extremely important to do as the sun's energy will charge the light throughout the day so that it works at night. So that's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.